Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change your Tumblr account avatar to a square shape on your Tumblr account on your Tumblr application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the avatar to the square shape on your Tumblr application on your Tumblr account, I'm just going to show in this video. Actually, you can see it's actually on the circle shape. You just need to make it as a square shape, this logo or avatar. So just click on the toolpad option or edit option on the top. Click on this. After clicking here, you have this option called edit on the profile picture avatar. Click on this. Now you have an option called shape on the bottom. So here you just need to select it as square. So you can see it actually changed to circle to square shape, and click on the OK option on the top. Then just click on the save option. Now you can see your profile or your avatar has been changed to the square shape on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.